Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we're going to do another unboxing. We're going to unbox the 5 terabyte USB 3.0 Seagate drive. So this is the backup drive that I got so that we can do a few more videos here on YouTube. Of course, my hard drive's getting a little backed up, so I'm gonna do an external drive. Now, I'll put a little link up in the corner somewhere over here to let you see what it looks like on Amazon. Again, I am an Amazon affiliate, or associate rather. So if you go to the link, go to Amazon, pick it out, pay for it. This channel does get a little bit of a kickback. So thank you very much. Alrighty, so what we got here, first thing out is the backup drive itself. Nice little thing, pretty compact. Underneath that we have looks like a cord that is probably the power cord. One end goes into your computer. The other end, let's see. Yep, it has a special end right here that goes into a certain way. There we go. Only goes in one way. Into the back of the external drive. Also, we have something else down here, see if I can get it out. There we go. All right. We have a portable storage information. Looks like, oh, and a quick setup guide, which is great. Multiple different languages. And where to download the driver if you are using this with, what does it say here? Oh, if you're using this with a Mac, there is a web address to go to get the driver. Alrighty, and we also have, it says here, congratulations, your new Seagate drive includes Rescue. Ooh, a world-class data recovery plan that is available if and when you need it. Ooh, comes with a recovery plan. All right, so what we're gonna do, that's really all that's came with it. So I'm gonna hook this up to the computer, do some more editing, and hopefully we can get you a few more videos, possibly even opening up a whole new channel. Stay tuned for that. So I thank you very much for coming along with me for the unboxing of the Seagate 5 terabyte USB 3.0 Backup Plus. Oh, and also it does work with USB 2.0. At least that's what it says on the back. So don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.